These spiral wire cages are super easy and very beautiful. Here you learn how to make a spiral cage around a stone or spherical bead. Make a P shape like in this video and continue rolling that just as said. Here I have 4.5 spiral for an 8mm pearl. Do the same for the other side of the wire, vice versa. Insert a closed pin and put your bead in. Pass it through front spiral shape and make a little loop at the end. Then push to side towards the center. Make sure the loops are in one direction. These spiral cages could be mixed with a chain bracelet or to be attached simply next to each other. It's your choice.